how to change the oil in your Ford Fusion with the 1.5 liter engine. I am Stephen Wimberley, and this is Working with Wimberley. Per the owner's manual, the 1.5 liter EcoBoost uses 4.3 quarts of oil. I have 5 quarts right here. I also have my oil filter, and we can see that it uses 5W20 oil is what it uses. It's also right here on the cap, and we have 5W20 right there. So the first thing I'm going to do is remove the oil filler cap and just move it aside. The next step is to jack up the car so we can work underneath, and make sure you use a jack stand. Before I lift the car, I'm going to block the rear wheels so that it doesn't roll. The Fusion is up and supported by a jack stand. So now we can go underneath. This is the front grille and the front bumper. Just under here, we can see a cover that needs to come out. And this cover is held in with several 10mm screws. So I'm gonna get those out so we can drop down this panel and access our oil filter. Looking at the Fusion from the front, this is the front driver's side wheel. Should come underneath with that cover out. The oil filter is right here on the front behind the cooling fan. If we slide back a little further, we can see the drain plug where we'll let the oil out. So I'm going to get my drain pan underneath the filter. We're going to twist this off, get the new one on, and then we'll drain the oil from the pan. Make sure the rubber gasket is still on the old one and that it's not stuck to the engine. So I've got my new filter right here. And I'm just going to put a little bit of oil on the gasket to make sure it seals. Get it nice and tight by hand. Don't overdo it. Now take a 15mm socket and ratchet and remove the drain bolt and allow all of the oil to fully drain. So I actually lowered the car back down level to make sure all of the oil drains out. So now that it's drained, I'm going to go and lift it back up, and then we can reinstall the drain plug. All right, so with the new filter on, the oil drain and the plug back in, I'm going to put the cover back on, and then we can go on top and fill it up with oil. All right, I have the car in a run position, but it's not actually on. And I'm going to use the dial on the left-hand side of the steering wheel and just go through the menu. And then we'll get to settings and press OK. And then select vehicle. Oil life reset, press OK. And now I'm just going to press and hold OK. And now our oil life is at 100%. If you found that video helpful, be sure to subscribe to the channel, give it a thumbs up, and leave a comment. God bless you all.